Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Zahra Nur Aisyah and my study book number is A1M224119. Surely you are familiar with suicide, right? So here I will discuss the rampant suicides that occur in the city of Kendari.
Diduga melompat dari jembatan Teluk Kendari pada Minggu 1 Juni 2020.
Seorang pria diamankan kepolisian usai melakukan percobaan aksi nekat dari atas jembatan Teluk Kendari, Sulawesi Tenggara, Sultra. Peristiwa ini
RN diduga melompat dari jembatan Teluk Kendari pada Senin 28 April pukul 1:40 pemuda
In the last 2 years, the Kendari Bay Bridge has been identified as a location where suicide cases often occur. In the last 2 months of 2025 alone, there have been several tragic incidents, including a young woman with the initial NNF in April, followed by a man with the initial EG at the end of May 2025. In early June, a similar case involved a young man with the initial MAI who was a Halu Oleo University student. The day after that suicide, a man was discovered attempting to take his own life. Fortunately, he was safe. There are still some individuals whose whereabouts are unknown or are under investigation. Previously, in 2023 and 2020, similar cases also occurred at the same location, even involving a young lecturer and several other residents. Suicide cases have not only been reported at Kendari Bay Bridge but have also been found in boarding houses and homes. Guys, what is happening in the city of Kendari? If you have a problem, speak up, don't be afraid. Suicide is not the right solution, guys. The chairman of the Indonesian Psychologists Association of Southeast Sulawesi, Ayub Jafar, stated that the city of Kendari is now in a stage of psychological health emergency after 2 suicide cases occur in less than a week. Halu Oleo University clinical psychologist Astri Yunita explained that suicide is the result of complex interaction of various factors, ranging from family problems, loss of loved ones, bullying, to economic burdens, and feeling like a failure in life is the main trigger for suicide. Lack of social support, low mental health literacy, and stigma against people seeking help also exacerbate the situations. The Kendari city government has taken several steps to support the mental health of its citizens. Psychological counseling services are now available at the Kendari Mental Hospital, Halu Oleo University, and the UPTD for Protection of Women and Children, or PPA. In addition, the Family Service Center, or Puspaga program, if open, will provide access to counseling for people in need. Although the number of clinical psychologists in Kendari is still limited, access to services remains wide open for people in need of assistance. To prevent this from happening again, the local government will raise the height of the fence on the Kendari Bay Bridge and enhance routine patrols by security forces. The government and relevant institutions should actively engage in socialization and education about the importance of maintaining mental health. They should also provide health support training for mental health issues in the surrounding area. Local communities, whether family or close friends, must be more aware of signs of mental disorder in those around us, such as drastic changes in behavior or disparate words. If someone wants to share something but is hesitant, then we need to ask them, "Are you okay? Are you in trouble?" and others, and invite them to speak about difficult issues so that they don't consider taking drastic actions. Even a very cheerful friend may have burdens they feel they cannot share alone, so we must support one another. We should also refrain from judging those who have gone through tough times because we don't know their experiences or the challenges they face. It is their responsibility and we can simply offer our praise for them. If you feel overwhelmed but struggle to express it to someone, then engage in worship, perform prayers if you are Muslim, and draw closer to God, praying more in line with your beliefs. Family and community support are crucial. so that those experiencing mental stress don't feel isolated. If we encounter someone displaying these symptoms, we should talk to them promptly and encourage them to seek professional help. Everyone plays an essential role in fostering hope and preventing future suicide tragedies. So I really hope that suicide cases will not happen again in Kendari City, especially at a young age. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.